Ziyambi Ziyambi now removed all pretense. The constitution of Zimbabwe is no longer about the people, but about party power. And Sanabina Mashkobra Yuvachinze, Ziyambi Ziyambi, the mouthpiece for illegality and architect of constitutional abuse, a true master of legal deceit. That was subscribe or like on the bell icon. When a justice minister openly declares that party position overrides constitutional principle, you are no longer dealing with the governance. You are dealing with institutionalized abuse and state capture. Let's call it what it is: a calculated assault on the 2013 constitution, viewed by his manufactured two-thirds majority in the parliament. ED is using Ziyambi to force through changes that have no public mandate, no referendum, no consultation, no transparency, and now no secret ballot for parliament as well, because fear is his primary tool of control. Togare PP, this is now lawmaking. This is political cohesion. The refusal to allow MPs to secret ballot is deliberate. It is meant to expose, intimidate, and punish anyone who dares think independently. Parliament is being reduced to the theater of compliance. Don't forget, looming over all this are serious unanswered questions about the reported $200 million alleged channeled to Ziyambi under legal fees. Zimbabweans are entitled to know who was paid, for what purpose, and how much more was deployed to neutralize resistance across the political insecurity landscape. This is not reform, it is capture. From blocking citizens' meetings, silencing dissent, and now forcing MPs into submission, the entire Cap3 process has been about one thing only: power securing itself at any cost. As one frustrated citizen put it, if everything is taken by force, then nothing truly belongs to Zimbabweans anymore. Cap3 marks the sad end of the Zimbabwe that many fought and died for. Cap3 is all about system where parliament no longer represents the people, but the dictates of political elite, where constitutional change is not driven by national consensus, but by fear and control. Doma developments are good pangwa in a comment section menu of new any more clip. I'm so much to subscribe or like on the bell icon.